Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to extrude mesh and insert face. Let's begin! Let's start! Click the Face Select button at the top left of the 3D view in Edit mode. You can extrude a face by selecting the face of the object and selecting the Extrude region on the toolbar. You can also extrude a face in the same way by selecting the face of the object and selecting Extrude, Extrude Faces from the Mesh button. You can also extrude a face by selecting the face of the object with the Box Select tool and pressing E on your keyboard. Next, try extruding only the vertices. You can extrude only the vertices in this way by selecting the face of the object, selecting Extrude Vertices from the Vertex button, and pressing X on your keyboard to fix it in the X-axis direction. Next, try pushing out only the edges. You can extrude only the edges in this way by selecting the face of the object, selecting Extrude Edges from the Edge buttons, and pressing X on your keyboard to lock it down in the X-axis direction. Next, try extruding along normal. You can select a loop like this by holding down the Alt key on your keyboard and selecting a face. In this state, select Extrude Along Normals on the toolbar. You can extrude it like this by dragging the yellow point with the mouse. Next, I will push it out by using Extrude Individual. In the same way, press Alt on your keyboard to select the face, and then select Extrude Individual on the toolbar. If you drag the yellow point with the mouse, you can extrude it like this. Next, I'll try inserting a new face on the selected face. Select the face of the object and select Insert Face on the toolbar. You can insert the face like this by dragging the yellow point with the mouse. You can also insert the face by pressing I on your keyboard. Next, I'll try applying the bevel on the selected face. Select the face of the object and press E on your keyboard to extrude the face. You can apply the bevel by selecting Bevel on the toolbar and dragging the yellow point with the mouse. When you apply the bevel, the Advanced Setting menu is displayed like this, and you can set the bevel details from here. You can apply bevels to vertices in this way by changing Effect to Vertices. You can also change the number of bevel segments in this way. Next, I'll explain how to create the face from the edge. Create a new circle object in Object mode and set the vertices of the circle to 12. You can create a face like this by switching to Edit mode with the Tab key and selecting New Edge, Face from Vertices from the Vertex button. You can also create a new face from a vertex by pressing F on your keyboard. You can also create a face that has a mesh, just like this, by selecting Fill on the Face button. In the same way, if you select Grid Fill from the Face button, the face will be created with such a mesh like this. This is the end of the lecture on how to extrude mesh and insert face. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.